The 12-Minute Affiliate is a plug-and-play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy as it has always been promised to be. Simple plug-and-play activation in as little as 12 short minutes. Easily earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niche markets. Build a huge email list quickly and easily. Follow up with your leads for months on complete autopilot. Promote your affiliate products with the click of a button, even on social media. Perfect for newbie and intermediate marketers. Why we should promote 12-Minute Affiliate. Your audience will get a step-by-step system that will help them start and grow a successful affiliate marketing business. Reasons to promote 12-Minute Affiliate actually works. We've spent the last 7 years perfecting 12-MA, and we've created a system that works for even the newest of newbies. We are monster split testers. You can rest assured that the promo copy and funnels you'll use are the highest converting to date. 7 chances to earn commissions, big dollar or recurring, for everyone who buys through your affiliate link. Wow! How you make money. Multiple ways to earn commissions, both residual and big dollar. We built this funnel to maximize EPCs and over-deliver value. People absolutely love this product, and we make sure we boost your commissions to the max. There are 7 different ways for you to make money. The math makes sense, and dollars. I don't claim to be a professor, but these are some numbers I can get behind. The 12-Minute Affiliate funnel is designed for maximum profits. We offer 7 ways to get paid. If someone takes us up on all the offers, which they often do, you have the opportunity to earn as much as $456.48 per sale.